Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. The question is, the most important aim of science should be to improve people's lives. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Okay, now you must understand what is science first. Science is the study of natural phenomena. Okay, so in science we study natural phenomena, we deduce theorems how nature has produced this effect. For example, gravity. We all knew gravity before Newton, but Newton devised theorems. He devised mathematical calculations on how to calculate G, which is gravitational force. So I am agreeing with this question. I am agreeing with the statement that the most important aim of science should be to improve people's lives, because that is what the aim of science is. So all the inventions that have taken place have somehow improved people's lives. For example, electricity has improved people's lives, internet has improved people's lives, aeroplanes have improved people's lives. So how should I make points for agreement? So the first point is medical advancements. Science has revolutionized healthcare through discovery of vaccines. Recently, we had the COVID-19 epidemic, and we developed vaccine within 1 year. How? Through the advancement in science, antibiotics, and various medical treatments, which in turn have saved countless lives. Various medical treatments have saved countless lives. For example, insulin that is used in diabetes has saved countless lives and improved the quality of life for people worldwide, and it has improved the quality of life for people worldwide. For example, chemotherapy is used to treat cancer. Technological innovation. Science drives technological progress, leading to inventions like smartphones. You know how important smartphones are. Internet and renewable energy resources. Nature has given us resources like coal and oil, but it has also given us resources like solar energy. We need to harness the solar energy and convert it into electricity. These innovations have transformed communication, transportation, and energy production, making life more convenient and sustainable. Making life more convenient and sustainable. Okay. The third one is food security. With the advancement in food technology, agriculture has boosted crop yields. With the advancement of food technology, for example, in food biotechnology, we have developed BT crops, okay, which can survive various droughts of flooding and has boosted crop yields, helping to ensure an adequate food supply for a growing global population, because the population is still growing. So we need food for that, food for them, sorry. The fourth one is public health. Epidemiology. Epidemiology is study of diseases, and public health research play a critical role in disease prevention. The study of diseases help in preventing diseases, because we know how disease spread, so we can control them easily. As observed recently, the first COVID vaccine took only 11 months to develop. The first COVID vaccine took only 11 months to develop. That's how science has progressed. Previously, vaccine development used to take about 20 years, 15 years of research. Okay? So these are some of the salient points for the question. The most important aim of science should be to improve people's lives. Okay? To what extent do you agree or disagree? I hope you can make further more points regarding the question. Also, if you have any further questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button